So making money with NFTs is dead. In 2020 and 2021, NFTs was all the craze in the media. During all this craze, it was really common to hear stories of people having 6 to 7 figure income profits and with NFTs. But that all changed May 7th, 2022, when Luna has crashed and the Bitcoin price came crashing down. And after that time, I had many people saying that NFTs were dead. So although NFTs aren't going anywhere, long gone are the days of us hearing crazy stories, these crazy kind of flips. But that doesn't mean you can't make money off of NFTs anymore. In fact, you can still make money off of NFTs in this new bear market. And all you gotta do is switch your strategy by one thing. And this one thing you wanna change. Instead of buying, holding, and waiting for an NFT to blow up, you're gonna wanna sell it 1 to 10 days after launching. After you mint it, you will sell 1 to 10 days after. We'll go ahead and break this one thing down to 2 easy steps. The first thing you want to do is find a good project. The best way to find a good project is to go on crypto Twitter or find a reputable YouTuber who's not being paid by an NFT company. We, however, use a Crypto and Cocktail newsletter. Like we said, we use a Crypto and Cocktail newsletter for NFTs. They have an NFT drop section, and in this section for the NFTs, we have the mint price there, and you also have a link to the Google Calendar that lets you know when to buy it. It reminds you of that, making it easier. We'll see an example with the Bigfoot as well. Drop, you have the mint price here and the Google Calendar link. And the second thing you want to do is sell that NFT in 1 to 10 days. We do this because usually if you find a good project, it's going to jump by 50% or more within that 1 to 10 days. So we'll go ahead and show you an example of this 50% increase in the first 10 days with the last 2 ones we just showed. You can see with just 8, the mint price was 5 Solano. Then here you can see in the first few days, it was selling much more than that, more than 100% more. It was selling of the minting price. But as you can see right now, the current floor price for just Ape is 1.73, which is much less than the minting price, which is showing you that selling in the first 10 days is much more profitable than the old school method of holding the project for a long term. We'll show another one real quick with Bigfoot. Mint price is 1.4 or 1.9 for everyone else if you didn't get the whitelist price. Then we see right here, it's selling much more, as high as 8 Solano in the first few days. And here we go. The floor price is much, much less than that 1.4 and 1.9 Solano. So although NFTs are here to stay, and you do want to keep some projects longer, this system right here shows you how anyone can be profitable with NFTs, even in the bear market.